Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Litecoin from Kraken to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between exchanges for better opportunities or diversification, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have a verified account on both Kraken and KuCoin. You'll also need some Litecoin in your Kraken wallet and a good understanding of basic crypto security. Always double-check addresses to avoid any mishaps. In 2025, exchanges like Kraken have even more user-friendly interfaces, so this process is quicker than ever. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and select Litecoin from your portfolio. Look for the Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 2. Once you're in the withdrawal page, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send. Make sure to check the current network fees, as they can vary based on blockchain congestion. Now, you'll need the KuCoin deposit address. Hop over to your KuCoin account, go to the Assets or Deposit section, select Litecoin, and copy the wallet address provided. Step 3. Paste that KuCoin address into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any memos if required for Litecoin transactions. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify via email or two-factor authentication for added security. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the Litecoin to appear in your KuCoin wallet, depending on network speed. Once it's there, verify the amount and celebrate your successful transfer. A quick tip: in 2025, always use the native blockchain for Litecoin transfers to keep fees low, and consider using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have excellent support chatbots. There you have it. That's how you send Litecoin from Kraken to KuCoin. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one.